Marketing a yoga studio in Las Vegas requires a blend of strategies to attract both locals and tourists in a competitive market. Begin with a thorough competitor analysis. Compare class types, pricing, and online presence to spot service gaps and ways to stand out. Define your brand to resonate with specific audiences, whether that's health-focused residents or visitors seeking a unique experience. Highlight your studio's expertise, instructor credentials, and convenience across all platforms for a consistent and memorable identity. Promote events and workshops through email, social media, local event calendars, and partnerships with hotels or gyms. Leverage targeted ads around event dates with clear calls to action. Build relationships with local businesses, offering co-branded events or exclusive deals to expand your reach and referral network. Plan seasonal campaigns to capture tourist traffic, featuring flexible offers and drop-in passes aligned with major events. For online visibility, focus on local SEO. Optimize your Google business profile, maintain consistent directory listings, and ensure your website loads quickly on mobile devices. Create dedicated pages for classes and instructors, add structured data for schedules, and publish content answering local yoga queries. Regular technical audits keep your website efficient and user-friendly, maximizing both search rankings and student conversions.